Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a to connect your GraphQL. So how to use GraphQL in HubSpot. So there is a documentation here. So the basic one that first of all let's start. So there is different query that you can use here. So what we are trying to do now is just to be able to pull CRM data into a web page. So we have this, as you can see, the label, the description, the contact ID, and then after that we have this. So let's copy and then let's go to our module. So this so you're gonna go to your module here to I mean into your file, and then after that so that you can create a the GraphQL file. Okay, I'm gonna go there. Now from your GraphQL, so here you can give it a name. So let's say yeah, contact. Yeah, we can call it contact profile. All right. So now here you have GraphQL playground so that you can go play around to, like it's going to show you how to get certain stuff. So you can access data from the CRM. So GraphQL is there. So it looks like this. So where you can have different kind of, like contacts and all those stuff. You can pull country, you can pull name and first name and all the stuff, you see. So this is stuff that we have also here, as you can see. So the only thing now you're gonna have to get it your page to have a membership setup, private content, and then after that you're gonna be able to pull data because of you need to know which item you're gonna pull. So this is gonna be the user that is logging in. So that's a contact ID. So, all right. So then let's go to the module, to the GraphQL file, and then you paste your stuff there. So you have this. Okay, this change. So now you go to your module. So we want to connect now this to a custom module. After that custom module to the page. So now you come here is where now you select your file from here. So once you select your file from here, then you're gonna be able now to pull the data. So yeah, so we have yeah, so contact tutorial page, and then we select the contact tutorial page. So this is going to give you the list of all the GraphQL file that you have in the design manager. So now let's go grab the variable token, abo variable token, to be able to pull now the data. So you come to the document here. Okay, let's go look for, as you can see, you have information here. So as we are collecting only the contact detail, not the contact list. So I'm gonna put it there. As you can see, contact collection is where that you're seeing here. So we're only collecting contacts, but you can see there is a contact collection also here, the list of contacts. So we're only pulling one contact and then with their details. So they logged in user. So, okay, so we have this one there. And then the way only you're gonna pull it. So it's going to be, so we're gonna put contact here. You can even say like profile, for instance. So you have the profile.name. So we're gonna go to our page. So this is the module, contact profile module. We have this. So here we're gonna move it up here. So it's gonna replace our welcome name there. So remove this. Okay. So now gonna have to gonna refresh. Okay, let's check. First name. So here profile dot whatever that you did put here. first name. So it's gonna be, let's say, welcome. All right, let's go check. You can see now we have there. You can put the shift last name. So this data here is just coming from your CRM. You can see there. So yeah, so here you can put whatever data that you want. So here you cannot just put directly a CRM properties data. So it must be first of all referenced here, and then after that you're gonna be able to pull those information like here. So for this one to work nicely, so you have to first of all set up a membership group. So a membership setup, and then in your get it content here from the page, audience access is where you're going to select your stuff, and then you're going to be able to pull the CRM data for your membership system. So yeah, so this is the way of pulling data from the system. So you can go through here and then read more nice stuff that you can use when you're building a dashboard, kind of like a membership system inside HubSpot. So there are a lot of beautiful stuff here. All right, so subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.